Welcome to Lightning Proxies. In this video, we will show you how to set up Lightning Proxies on Android devices. First, log into your Lightning Proxies dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Generator, select your preferred proxy plan, and click Generate. Within the plan settings, customize your targeting options. For this example, we will set the location to the United States. Next, choose your filter mode based on the quality of proxies you prefer. You can also select ISP or country targeting, choose between sticky or rotating proxies, and adjust any additional settings as needed. Once you're done, click Save Settings, then copy the host and port. Now open the Tun2Tap app on your Android device. Set the proxy type to HTTP and paste the host and port. Next, go back to the Lightning Proxies dashboard and copy the username and password. Return to the Tun2Tap app and paste the username and password into the required fields. Finally, click Connect to activate the proxy. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using Lightning Proxies.